One of the season's first wild edibles are ramps.
Here we go. Beautiful. Look at the big one here.
Both pungent and sweet, these ephemeral shoots appear only for a few short weeks before they wither and melt back into the forest floor. They're a rare delicacy, though, endangered even in some areas. And hunting for them is ideally suited to social distancing, since most die-hard foragers like to keep their sources a secret.
No more wide shots, only close up from now on.
Milder than their domesticated garlic and onion cousins, ramps are prized by chefs for their unique flavor.
Yeah, because you see what I'm looking for is to try to find large one who have like large bulb like this, because we want to pickle them. I'm going to clean up the area around the plant first, so then I can have a clean cut with my knife. And also you're trying to get a sense of how deep the roots are. Oh, perfect cut. See, you have the full bulb, but no roots. So you want to leave the roots in, so like this, next year, you can come back to the same spot. Because if you pull the roots, then they won't grow back. Look at that!
Don't be fooled by early spring lookalikes. Skunk cabbage and young hostas are sometimes mistaken for wild leeks.
I think that's a good harvest. It's better to come back every day and get fresh one than to pick more than you need.
The term tragedy of the commons applies to these beautiful, delicate wild leeks much as it applies to overfishing and to global warming. And that is that people tend to get greedy and take more than can be sustainably replaced year after year. So instead, what you do when you want to harvest these leeks is you can take just the leaves or just a leaf off of each plant if you want to be very conservative. And if you really love the bulbs, then be very careful to cut them when you harvest them in a way so that you leave the roots in the soil, and those roots will multiply and will regrow, and your fields of ramps will continue to flourish year after year. Just don't give away your secret, or somebody else might find them first.